One of the biggest whales on Wall Street just sounded the alarm. JPMorgan Chase just came out and they are warning you. Expect a downturn. That like 2000. It all just is echoing. So I went ahead and underlined it for you. JPMorgan, worried. Okay, check. Downturn, check. And 2000 peak, check. But what are we doing? I know. Let's head over to CNBC and just do whatever they tell us. Right, Jimmy? Yeah? Pretty sure Jim Cramer told you to sell the exact bottom of Bitcoin. I can't anymore, Mom. Walmart just had its worst day in 4 years. JPMorgan says, buy it now. And I say thank you for that financial advice. What do the charts say? Even Bloomberg is sounding the alarm. Look at this. It won't take much to burst the stock market bubble. Thank you, Mr. Dudley. And you want to know why no one makes money in these markets? Because everyone just scares everyone. They say one thing and then they do the complete opposite. JP Morgan's worried. Autumn downturn, you guys. Look at that. Stocks are headed for a weekly decline, and JP Morgan thinks there could be further downside ahead. While the government creates for you what is called a K-shaped economy, the rich are getting so much richer. The poor is becoming more poorer. Actually, look at these. Hedge funds are doubling down. Huh. And then up here, breaking, American consumers are delivering a retail reality check is focused on bargains because they're broke. But let me break down a little macro for you and show you how you can't keep up. You can just take a look at M2. Your money is just loans. You live in a debt-based system. There was actually a scary point a few years ago, where we contracted. This is where Bravo was like, uh-oh, this is not good. And we're back to money printing or the debt-based system. Loans. Lots of loans, lots of money because loans are money. And lo and behold, you see it continuing in the stock market. Here, I'll give you a perfect example. I put in Ferrari prices. Keep rising, keep dropping, keep going, keep falling, Which one is it? Well, it's none of them. It's actually why Ferrari prices are soaring in 2026. Values are exploding from 93 to 144 and 83%. You actually could probably do better if you don't listen to anything in the news. Buy a Ferrari and shove it in a garage. So if you buy these scarce ones, that's even more gooder. Just look at this dichotomy or the just polar opposites. Americans, consumers, bargains, we can't make it, earnings, shoppers that are still employed. And I keep telling you, stop doing the job. Because within a few minutes, if you are currently employed, be grateful. Here is what I am seeing just everywhere. Laid off, I'm scared, I'm 25. Engineering job, I've applied to 300 jobs. I've seen this 3 million jobs. So let me help you. That's why I come here every single day. Start your window washing company. And I don't care what you do. You could sell dried fruit, clean private jets, and then in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening, you click buttons. It's a 3-step process. Click buy, click sell, print money. Or if you're advanced, people get confused, click sell, click buy, print money. Any of those combos work. Today was a click sell, okay? Where did I get out? Felt really extended here. It started to find it, and I would have shorted here, but it didn't. And I was like, yeah, that's it. So I clicked the sell button. It's here. I'll show you. Remember 136.25. Because I am an idiot and it'll fall out of my brain. Probably you click here. Okay. Click sell. Remember, but I don't have anything to sell. They'll give it to you. This morning's open. First candle. You broke that. I went short. Do you see? I can't. You are below the 20. You are below the 200. You have confirmation. That's a good candle right there. Wipes that out. Boom. You go all the way. And then you go red, green, red. Boom. Short. Bam. Red, green, red, green, red. Boom. Short. At that point, you could keep going. You could do this one. Comes up, smacks the 20. You short it here. Green, red, boom. now it's over. And you're in the no-no zone. You're too extended, but I just measured just from like here to here. This is it. How much did I walk away with in just a few minutes before I went on the walk? 2,725. Step 1, click sell. Step 2, click buy. Step 3, print money. In yesterday's video, I showed you this. Isn't that great? I teach you all of this. All for free on YouTube, but if you want it all in a nice place, I do leave out a lot. Also, all in one nice spot, all the steps perfect. 50 to 100 videos. You go back, you keep it forever. $99 until it goes to $399. It's less than a price of a textbook. Look at that, $303.90. This is a textbook. Look, yeah, college. Practice of law. I used to teach that. Okay, so let's recap. Step 1, do not listen to them. Step 2, do not listen to them. We'll look at Walmart. Step 3, you're okay. Don't listen to them. Step 4, 23%. That's my watch list. Crypto watch list. We're now above the 200. The bags will be pumping starting, what was this, a couple days ago. That was a swing on OP. Called it. So new channel, new sale. I can do this now. $1 a day. Offer ends tonight. So drop into the comments section and look. I don't pay anyone. Look, 9,000 on Solana. That's my glitch trade. They don't show you here. I mean, it even hasn't indicated. Look. The glitch. Don't worry about that. That is much difficult where it's like buy here, sell there. Let's head over to Walmart because they're telling you to buy right now. Maybe yesterday. Go all in. Well, if you understand this, you will know when to buy. And I would love to show you. It first starts off with a trend line. This is going back a long time ago, 2022. And, you could swing it up and down, up and down, up and down on the trend line. Then we go, hey, where are you guys going? Oh, it's a new one. They're actually very healthy, 45. Then you break out of that, you confirm it. Yep, we got a new one. Here we go. And again, you could swing trade up. This is what'll happen. On my indicators, it'll go 9, and then it'll go 9, and then it'll go 9, and then 9. You sound like a German, and you go up and up. Now, I don't know what people will be saying at this point. Oh, we must be in a bubble. Okay, we keep going. Keep finding the trend line until you break said trend line. Now, step 1, 1 top, 2 top. That's a double top. After said double top, you're probably going to want to take this to, let's say, here. That's where it is finding. Actually, you almost had an inverse head and shoulders up, but you got to break up. So you measure from here to here. You can just bring it down. Look, I'll carry this. Let's grab this little guy. I could move it down. All right, so you've broken it. You come up. Resistance up, resistance up. You're done with that. The game's over. It was fun while it lasted, and now here we go. But they say buy right now. Nope. You're gonna have to wait to here. I know. I'm impatient, Bravo. When you tell me get out of all your crypto in December and you make me wait. I had to wait from December, January, what is that? 8 months? Yes. Now, okay. Bitcoin above 200, you get ready for the pullback and then go. Yes, you could have missed it because you had some cracked out thing. The people who are most successful in the markets are what I show you. You stick to a plan, you trade it. Here, 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 here. Okay, good. And then you're patient. And in your patience, I know this gets frustrating. It always gives that up. Maybe half of it, I don't know. Sorry, patience. But what you are currently witnessing is a flip. This is your dollar. While everyone says dollar goes to 0, are we above the 200 or below it? Well, you're currently below it. Which that was, a fun little run. And you had your double bottom, quasi triple bottom. You ran, I thought, okay, dollar, here we go. And so there is a correlation, not 100% of the time. Weak dollar, strong Bitcoin. Weak dollar, strong gold and silver. Weak dollar, rest of the countries do so much better because they don't want to have to pay loans back in a strong dollar. So the entire world wants a weak dollar. Okay, now one more learning lesson. Weak dollar, inflation. Your inflation's going to go up. More inflation. Weak dollar also means more money printing, but not really. Just know, okay? You are going to be suffering. They coined the word inflation. It's not. It's the loss of purchasing power. And you can go back to exhibit A, B, C, you know, the money printer, M2, all of that. Lots of loans, lots of wiping out the middle class. But I have a solution. Again, start a private jet cleaning business. Again, I don't care. Click buttons on a screen. Picked up another $1,400 in the first 9 minutes. And I am sure this morning, look in the comments section. I do not pay anyone. This is all el natural. This is what we do. It's not a scam. It works. And if I had to throw salami at the wall, 80-20. Yesterday was the 20, but you knew it. You're like, oh, look at this. Right in the no-no zone. This looks terrible. I even said yesterday was terrible. Today, money printer, go burn. As long as you have a little bit of knowledge, you'll get it. And again, you're either click buy, click sell, or my advanced traders, click sell, click buy. Print money. Grab it before it goes up. And with that, I will see you in the next trade.